Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited to share a quick and easy recipe with you today for a delicious plant-based mayonnaise. It's a curry mayonnaise and you can adjust the curry to be any other flavors that you like. But today I'm focusing on curry mayonnaise because it's delicious in sandwiches, it's delicious mixed through pasta as a pasta salad, or mixed through mashed potato for a curried mashed potato. It's absolutely delicious and very versatile, and it just uses 6 ingredients and some water. So let's get into the recipe.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So for today's recipe, I'm going to use a blender, and I'm using my Tri-Best blender with the medium-sized cup that it comes with, but you can use any blender that you like. So first up, I'm going to add some cannellini beans. You can use any white bean that you like, but I love using cannellini beans because they're loaded with iron and with protein, and they're absolutely delicious and really, really creamy and fantastic for this vegan mayonnaise because we're not using eggs for the creaminess. I'm not using any oil in this recipe either, so this is going to be a fantastic base. Next up, I'm adding half a cup of sunflower seeds. And then I'm going to add a clove of garlic, but you could use some garlic powder or some garlic granules if you prefer. I would probably do about 1/4 teaspoon's worth to maybe 1/2 teaspoon's worth. Just adjust it as you go, blend it up, and then just add more if you need it. I'm also adding in 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, the all-important curry powder for our curry mayonnaise. I'm adding a teaspoon's worth, but you could start with 1/2 teaspoon and adjust it according to your palate. And I'm not adding any salt because my curry powder actually has a little bit of salt in it as well, so I'm not going to add any extra. But if you wanted to add extra, just again adjust it to your own palate, blend this up, and then just add anything extra that you want to add to this. Next, I'm adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and you could just add plain vinegar to this if you wanted to. I've just realized half of my garlic didn't go in before, so I'm going to add that in as well. And then I'm adding in 1/2 cup of water. And then give this a blender. Oh, this is looking thick and delicious. It's been blending for about a minute, and I can actually smell the curry powder, which is so delicious. And I need to have a taste because it's lunchtime and I need to put this on my sandwich. That is so creamy, so delicious, and really quick and easy to make. And with the sunflower seeds in there, you're going to get healthy natural fats, and you're also going to get your iron and your protein. So this is a great mayonnaise substitute that you can use anywhere that you like. So if you like this healthy, delicious plant-based recipe and you want to see more easy recipes like this, then give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to see you back here for all of my other recipes, and come and join me over in my Facebook group where we share lots of tips and tricks and ideas and recipes and ways to live a delicious plant-based lifestyle. I'll leave a link to that below, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Curry mayonnaise. Yum.